What's going on, everybody? We're super excited to share the newest update for Smart Algo version 2 with you today. This update introduces powerful tools and improvements that will simplify your trading process, make decision-making easier, and help you achieve better results in the markets. Whether you're already familiar with Smart Algo or just getting started, this version brings features that you'll find incredibly useful. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about your favorite feature from this update. Don't forget to join our Discord community for quick support, real-time updates, and exclusive tips. You'll find the link in the description. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Smart Logic feature. This is the foundation of Smart Algo, and where you choose between two main modes, the Smart Signals and Smart Scalper. Each mode is designed for a specific type of trading style, and I'm going to explain how they work in detail. If you're someone who trades across all time frames, you'll probably use Smart Signals most of the time. This mode is straightforward and reliable. It gives you consistent buy and sell signals, which makes it ideal for trades that might last longer. It's perfect if you like a steady approach to your trading. Now, let's talk about Smart Scalper. This mode is for those who want to trade faster and take advantage of quick market movements. It's especially useful on lower time frames, like the 1-minute or 5-minute charts. Take your time getting used to these modes, and you'll find the one that fits your trading style best. Alright, let's move on and talk about signal sensitivities. This feature is incredibly important because it allows you to adjust how the signals behave based on your personal trading style. Let me explain how it works, so you can get the most out of it. If you choose a lower sensitivity, the system will generate signals more frequently. This is great for active traders or scalpers who want to catch quick price movements and make fast decisions. It's especially helpful if you're trading on lower time frames where every second counts. Now, if you prefer a more selective approach, you can increase the sensitivity. A higher sensitivity filters out smaller market noise and only generates signals during significant price moves. This is perfect for traders who prefer fewer but more reliable signals, allowing them to focus on accuracy rather than speed. One of the best things about this feature is its flexibility. You can adjust the sensitivity to match your strategy. Whether you're using Smart Signals for standard trading or Smart Scalper for faster trades, it's all about customizing the indicator to fit your needs. Alright, let's talk about the Trend Dashboard update. This feature has been completely revamped, and it's better than ever. The new dashboard is designed to give you a quick and clear overview of the market, all in one place. Let me break it down for you. When you look at the updated Trend Dashboard, you'll see a wealth of essential market information right at your fingertips. It shows you the current logic setting you're using, the sensitivity level you've chosen, and even the market strength percentage. It also provides a volatility reading and lets you know which trading session is currently active. To top it off, the dashboard gives you an overall market condition reading, telling you if the market is bullish or bearish at a glance. But the real standout feature here is the brand new Smart Star system. This system rates the current market conditions using a simple star rating. The more stars you see, the better the trading environment. For example, if the dashboard shows 5 stars, you're looking at a prime opportunity to trade. If it's 1 or 2 stars, it might be a good time to hold off and wait for better conditions. This update makes the Trend Dashboard incredibly useful for decision-making. Instead of spending time analyzing multiple indicators separately, you can get an instant snapshot of the market's health and use it to plan your next move. Alright, let's take a deeper look at our brand new Take Profit and Stop Loss Levels feature. And while we're at it, let's talk about one of the most important topics in trading, risk management. This is where the real power of Smart Algo shines, helping you make better trading decisions and stay consistent over the long term. First, let's break down how the Take Profit and Stop Loss levels work. When you set up a trade, the system calculates and displays these levels directly on your chart. You'll see clearly labeled price points for multiple take-profit levels, as well as a stop-loss level. These levels are there to guide you, helping you plan where to exit the trade for a profit or to limit your losses if the trade goes against you. While you still have control over adjusting these levels to suit your strategy, the system gives you an excellent foundation to work from. It's designed to make managing your trades simpler, quicker, and more precise. Now, let's talk about risk management. Something every trader, whether they have a small account or a large one, needs to master. The first rule of thumb is never to risk more than you can afford to lose. As a beginner, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading, but it's crucial to stay disciplined. A good starting point is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your account balance on any single trade. For example, if you have a $1,000 account, risking 1% means your maximum loss for that trade would be $10. This might not seem like much, but it's about protecting your account and staying in the game for the long haul. For traders with smaller accounts, it's even more important to stick to this rule. Smaller accounts can be wiped out quickly if you risk too much. Use the stop-loss level provided by Smart Algo to set your maximum risk and adjust your position size so that the dollar amount of your loss stays within your risk tolerance. For instance, if your stop loss is 20 pips away and you're risking $10, calculate your lot size accordingly. Staying consistent with this approach will help you avoid emotional trading and large losses. If you have a larger account, the principles are the same, but you have more flexibility. For example, with a $50,000 account, risking 1% per trade means your maximum loss would be $500. This might allow you to trade larger lot sizes or hold multiple positions at once, but the key is still to stay within your risk limits. Even with a bigger account, it's important not to let overconfidence lead to unnecessary risk. One of the great things about Smart Algo's take profit and stop loss levels is how they help you plan your trades around your risk-reward ratio. A common guideline is to aim for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk-to-reward ratio. This means if you're risking $100, your potential reward should be $200 or $300. By targeting higher rewards relative to your risk, you can stay profitable even if you don't win every trade. For instance, with a 1 to 2 ratio, you only need to win 40% of your trades to come out ahead. Smart Algo makes this easy by providing multiple take-profit levels. For example, you might set TP1 at a smaller target to secure partial profits, TP2 at your main goal, and TP3 as a stretch target if the trade runs in your favor. At the same time, your stop loss is clearly defined to prevent larger losses. This balance between protecting your account and capturing gains is the cornerstone of good trading. Whether your account is small or large, consistency is what matters. Use Smart Algo's tools to stay disciplined, follow your risk management plan, and never let emotions dictate your decisions. Over time, this approach will help you grow your account steadily and safely. All right, let's take a closer look at the Smart Support and Resistance levels, the Fair Value Gap, and Smart Order Blocks. 3 essential tools in Smart Algo that help you pinpoint critical market zones. These features are designed to make it easier for you to identify areas where the price is likely to react, whether it's bouncing off a level, breaking through resistance, or retracing to fill a gap. Let me walk you through how each of these works and why they're so useful. Starting with Smart Support and Resistance levels, these are key zones on your chart where price tends to pause or reverse. Support acts like a floor, where buying pressure typically steps in to hold the price up. Resistance, on the other hand, acts as a ceiling, where selling pressure keeps the price from climbing further. For example, when the price is approaching a support level, it's often a good time to look for a potential bounce. Similarly, if the price is nearing resistance, it's a zone to watch for a reversal or a breakout. These levels are critical for planning your entries, exits, and stop losses, as they often represent areas of high activity. Now, let's talk about the fair value gap. This feature highlights gaps between candles where price didn't fully trade. These gaps represent areas where the market moved too quickly, leaving behind inefficiencies that price often revisits. If you see a gap between a bullish candle and the next one, the price may retrace to fill that gap before continuing its move. Fair value gaps are especially helpful for spotting retracement opportunities and setting precise entry points. Using them alongside support and resistance levels can give you a clearer picture of where price is likely to react. Finally, let's look at smart order blocks. These zones are where large institutional orders are likely to have been placed, making them high-probability areas for price reversals. Order blocks are color-coded for clarity, with green indicating a potential buy zone and red signaling a potential sell zone. For instance, when the price approaches a green order block, it suggests an area where buyers could step in and push the price higher. Conversely, a red order block signals a zone where sellers might take control. Smart Algo allows you to plot up to 3 order blocks at a time, giving you a detailed view of multiple zones of interest. What makes these tools even more powerful is how well they work in combination. For example, if you spot a fair value gap aligning with a support level or an order block, it's a strong signal that the price could react in that area. By layering these confirmations, you can build a more robust trading strategy that's based on solid evidence rather than guesswork. All right, let's talk about one of the standout features in this update, the Smart Prediction tool. This tool is a real game changer because it allows you to anticipate potential market movements by analyzing historical price patterns. Think of it as a market forecast. It doesn't guarantee what will happen, but it gives you a calculated glimpse into what might happen next. This makes it an incredibly valuable resource for planning your trades. Here's how it works. The Smart Prediction tool uses advanced algorithms to study how prices moved in the past under similar conditions. By identifying patterns and trends, it projects where the price might be headed. For example, if a certain setup has historically led to a bullish move, the tool will highlight that potential for you. It's not about guessing, it's about probabilities based on historical data. Now, while it's important to remember that this tool isn't 100% certain, it's based on probabilities after all. It becomes incredibly powerful when you pair it with other features like the Trend Finder and Smart Cloud. For instance, if the Smart Prediction tool indicates an upward move, and you see confirmation from the Trend Finder and a green Smart Cloud, you've got a solid basis for entering a trade. This layered approach to trading significantly increases your confidence and reduces the risk of relying on a single indicator. What's also worth mentioning is how much our Discord community has been raving about this tool. Many traders have shared their success stories and explained how it's helped them refine their strategies. It's easy to see why. And finally, let's take a closer look at the Custom Alerts feature and how these settings truly elevate your trading experience. This is the final feature we'll cover in today's video, and it's one of the most practical tools included in Smart Algo V2. It allows you to set specific alerts for different conditions, ensuring that you never miss important market changes. Starting with the signal condition, you can choose between a few options depending on what you want to be notified about. If you select any signal, you'll receive alerts for every buy or sell signal that Smart Algo generates, whether it's from the Smart Signals or Smart Scalper modes. Alternatively, you can narrow it down and choose to get alerts only for Smart Signals or only for Smart Scalper. This is perfect for tailoring your notifications to match the specific style of trading you're using at the moment. Next, we have the Trend Cloud option, which lets you set alerts based on changes in the cloud. For instance, if the cloud shifts to green, signaling bullish momentum, you'll get an alert. Similarly, if the cloud turns red to indicate bearish conditions, you'll also be notified. This feature ensures that you stay updated on critical trend shifts, even if you're away from your screen. Then there's the Trend Sniper alert. This option works similarly to the Trend Cloud, but it's focused on the Sniper tool, which tracks market direction. You can set alerts for when the sniper turns bullish or bearish, giving you another layer of confirmation for your trades. For example, if you're waiting for the sniper to confirm a signal from the Smart Cloud or Smart Signals, this alert can help you act immediately. Finally, let's discuss the market strength setting. This allows you to set a threshold for the market strength indicator and get notified when it's crossed. For example, if you want to know when market strength exceeds 70, indicating strong bullish conditions, or drops below 30 for bearish momentum, you can configure an alert for that. This is a great way to stay on top of market dynamics without having to constantly check the dashboard. The beauty of these custom alerts is that they let you manage your trades efficiently while saving time. Whether you're monitoring key levels, waiting for trend confirmations, or tracking market strength, these alerts ensure you're always in the loop. Once you set them up, you can receive notifications directly through TradingView. And if you're on the go, you can even configure them to send alerts to your phone. If you'd like a tutorial on how to set up these alerts step by step, let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to create a guide to help you take full advantage of this feature. All right, let's break down how to use Smart Algo's features together to solidify a trade setup. This is where the real magic happens. By combining these features effectively, you'll be able to identify high-probability trades with confidence while minimizing your risk. Let's go step by step and focus on how everything works together in practice. To start, open your chart and ensure you have Smart Algo activated. Select either Smart Signals or Smart Scalper mode, depending on your trading style. For most scenarios, you'll use Smart Signals for general trading, while Smart Scalper is best for fast trades on lower time frames. Set your signal sensitivity appropriately, balancing the frequency of signals with the level of confirmation you need. A lower sensitivity provides faster signals, while a higher sensitivity filters out noise for more reliable setups. Now, begin building your confirmation layers. The first step is to activate the Smart Cloud. This feature gives you a clear view of the market's trend and momentum. If the price is above the green cloud, it indicates a bullish market, meaning you'll focus on buy trades. If the price is below the red cloud, the market is bearish, and you'll look for sell trades. The cloud acts as your primary trend filter, ensuring you only trade in the direction of the overall market momentum. Next, add the trend finder to your chart. This tool identifies key trend lines that confirm whether the market is forming higher highs and higher lows, an uptrend, or lower highs and lower lows, a downtrend. For example, if the Smart Cloud is green and the trend finder is showing an upward trend, this strengthens your confirmation for a buy trade. These two features work hand in hand to filter out low probability setups and help you align with the trend. Once you have the trend established, check the trend panel. If the market condition is bullish and market strength is above 70%, this is a strong signal to proceed with a buy setup. Additionally, the Smart Star system within the trend panel simplifies things further. More stars indicate a healthier trading environment. Use the trend panel to validate what the Smart Cloud and Trend Finder are already telling you. Now it's time to bring in the Smart Prediction tool. If the Smart Prediction tool aligns with the direction indicated by the Trend Finder and Smart Cloud, it adds another layer of confirmation. For example, if the prediction suggests an upward move and you've already confirmed bullish conditions from other features, this tool reinforces your decision to enter a buy trade. At this point, you're looking for a signal to finalize the trade setup. If a buy signal or sell signal appears on your chart, this is your entry point, but you don't act just yet. Wait for the signal's candle to fully close. This ensures the signal is locked in, and not just a temporary fluctuation. Once the candle closes, check that all your layers of confirmation align. For a buy trade, the price should be above the green cloud. The trend finder should show an uptrend. The trend panel should indicate bullish conditions, and the Smart Prediction tool should forecast an upward move. If all these align, you have a solid setup. After entering the trade, managing it becomes key. This is where the take profit and stop loss levels come in. These levels are automatically displayed on your chart to simplify your trade management. Set your stop loss below the last swing low to protect your capital and target a risk-to-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2. You can use multiple take profit levels, such as TP1, TP2, and TP3, to lock in partial profits as the trade moves in your favor. For example, take partial profits at TP1 and let the rest of the trade run toward TP2 or TP3. During the trade, continue monitoring the trend panel and trend sniper for changes in market conditions. If the trend sniper shifts from green to red, or the trend panel starts showing bearish conditions, this could indicate weakening momentum. You can respond by tightening your stop loss, securing additional profits, or exiting the trade entirely. On the other hand, if everything remains bullish, you can confidently hold the trade and let it reach your target levels. By using these features together, you're layering multiple confirmations to ensure that every trade you take is backed by solid evidence. The Smart Cloud filters the trend finder confirms the direction, the trend panel validates the market conditions, and the Smart Prediction tool forecasts potential movements. Finally, the signals from Smart Algo provide the precise entries, and the take profit and stop loss levels ensure your risk is managed effectively. All right, everyone, that wraps up today's video. We hope you found this breakdown of Smart Algo V2 helpful and are excited to start using these features and strategies in your trading. If you're serious about leveling up your trading game, make sure to follow all of our socials. Not only will you stay updated on the latest announcements and tips, but we also host future giveaways that you won't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content, including strategies, update videos, new features, and so much more. We're committed to helping you get the most out of Smart Algo, and we'll continue to release videos showcasing different strategies that work across various market conditions. If you ever have questions or need assistance, the best place to get super quick support is in our Discord server. Join today to chat with our team and other Smart Algo users who are always sharing ideas and tips. It's the perfect place to stay connected and refine your trading skills with the help of an amazing community. Before you go, don't forget to drop a like on this video and leave a comment below if you'd like us to cover any specific topics or features in the future. And of course, subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.